Most people check their credit score without ever understanding how their actions actually affect it. And here's the truth. No one tells you. Your credit score is not random. It changes based on your behavior, and now you can actually predict those changes before they happen. In this video, you'll learn what a credit score simulator is, how it works in 2026, and the best free tools you can use to predict and improve your score step by step. Let's get straight into it. A credit score simulator is a tool that shows how your score might change based on financial actions. For example, if Alex in Mumbai increases his credit card usage or misses a payment, the simulator estimates how much his score could go up or down. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of waiting months to see changes in your real credit score, you can test decisions in advance. It is like a preview of your financial future. But here's the problem. Many people assume simulators are 100% accurate. That is not true. They are estimates based on patterns, not exact predictions. But they are still extremely useful for planning. Now let's look at how you actually use them. First, you enter your basic credit details like current score, number of accounts, credit usage, and payment history. This gives the simulator a starting point. Second, you test different actions. For example, Jake might try simulating what happens if he pays off a credit card, or if he opens a new loan. The tool then shows possible score changes. Now here's where it gets interesting. These simulations help you avoid costly mistakes. Instead of guessing, you can see how decisions might affect your credit profile before you take action. Let's talk about where you can find these tools. In 2026, many banks and financial apps offer free credit score simulators inside their platforms. In India, several credit apps and bureau partners provide built-in simulators linked to your credit report. In the US, major credit bureaus and banking apps often include similar tools for users. But here's the key point. Always use official or well-known financial platforms. Avoid random websites that ask for too much personal information. You only need basic credit data, not sensitive banking passwords. Now here is a simple way to use a simulator effectively. Start by checking your current score. Then simulate one change at a time. For example, reducing credit utilization or paying off one card. This helps you clearly understand what impacts your score the most. If John does this regularly, he can plan his credit behavior like a strategy, instead of guessing blindly. Now here's the biggest advantage most people miss. A simulator does not just show numbers. It teaches you how credit scoring works. Over time, you start making smarter decisions naturally without needing the tool every time. So to wrap it up, credit score simulators help you predict outcomes, avoid mistakes, and improve your financial decisions before they happen. If you use them correctly, you stop reacting to your credit score and start controlling it. If this helped you, like the video, comment your country so I can share more specific tools for your region, and subscribe for more simple finance guides that actually help you build stronger financial habits.